Hi everyone, my name is Melody. Welcome to my channel where we discuss how to be a responsible consumer. What that looks like here is no buys and low buys and project pans and how you can make the most ethical purchasing decisions. And today I'm particularly excited because I have my winter Causebox to unbox, and I am technically, as of yesterday, on a no buy. This is part of an annual membership. So what can I say? Guess I can't do anything about it, but I'm really excited to unbox these, and one of my biggest strategies towards being the most ethical consumer I can be is by looking at the company Causebox chooses to partner with and sourcing a lot of my personal items from them. I appreciate Causebox because I know that they've put in the research and they've vetted the companies before they include them in the box, so I trust them. They have credibility with me, and I will often look at the brands they've included and then do my gift shopping or personal shopping right from there because I know that they've done the legwork for me. So for today, we're going to take a look at the winter box. And this is probably my favorite box design they've ever had. I've been an on and off subscriber to Causebox for the last 3 or 4 years. Ooh, the box is even prettier on the inside. I think that I will probably cut this up and use it as art in my house. So I already know what's in here because, like I said, I'm an annual subscriber, so I got to choose 5 out of the 6 items, and the 6th item is one that everybody gets. Even the little sticker is so cute. Speaking of art, this season, this is the art postcard that comes with it. You can use it as art, you can use it as a postcard. I have a frame in my living room that I will probably put this in, and I just think that is so pretty. And I'm not just saying that it's my favorite because I'm here with you guys. It is my favorite that I can remember. It's really nice. Okay, so the first thing that I see here is the big ticket item for the box, and I chose the Good Threads Inside Cozy Cloud wrap. I would call this a cardigan, and it is made out of recycled water bottles, which is so cool. It is really soft. I know I've definitely had socks that have felt like this before, and it's this two-tone gray with pockets. Love the pockets. Awesome. I think I'm going to pull a Mr. Rogers and I'm going to put it on. Switch my jacket to a cardigan right on camera. Oh yeah, this is a really nice fit. It's stretchy, so I'd imagine it has a pretty wide range of sizes that it would fit. That's exciting. The next item is a travel pillowcase. So it's this bamboo pillowcase that comes in a travel pouch, and I could have picked a pair of slouchy socks or this, and I chose this because I want my hair style to last a little bit longer. It feels like silk, but it's bamboo, and sleeping on a silk pillowcase lengthens your hairstyle. And I also, as I've mentioned in previous videos, I was sick for so long last year and my hair started thinning, so I'm doing everything I can to prevent damage to my hair. So I'm excited for this. I think this color is really pretty. I'm excited about that. I didn't even consider the socks, even though I know that they're popular and a lot of people probably pick them, but I don't like slouchy socks. Like, I want my socks to fit really tight, so they weren't even considered for me, but so I like having the option. And the other thing that you could have picked against the sweater was a tea kettle, and that was a really tough decision for me. I wanted both, but I had to pick just one, so I went with the sweater. The tea kettle was gorgeous. The next item is this pair of earrings. I am really excited for these. These are by Sanctuary Project, and they are a simple pair of small gold hoops. They are brushed metal. Really, really pretty. And I had a hard time with this category too, because it was this or some marble coasters or some coffee scrub. I didn't want the coffee scrub. I knew that. I wanted, I tend to pick non-consumable items, so items that are going to stick around for a long time. So I wanted these earrings, but the marble coasters were so pretty. Those coasters are made by Zeal Living Marble Geo Coasters is what they're called. So Zeal Living. And I was so impressed by their cause and their mission, and I really liked the look of them, and I needed to get somebody a gift. So I went on their website and I picked a gift from their website. So even though I didn't choose them for my box, I still gave them some business, and that was really cool. Since I had to buy a gift anyway, why not choose one that makes an impact? All right, so let me put these earrings on. Right now I'm wearing these gold earrings, kind of a thicker textured hoop, and I got these from the Causebox market in the fall. I wear them all the time. So my preference would be, I'm not big on like gold with gray. I would like cool tones with cool tones and warm tones with warm tones. But I know that's a personal preference. Stacy and Clinton would probably say it's okay, but I prefer it that way. So I don't know that I will normally wear these together. But for this video, it's okay. The next item will replace Ziploc bags. This set was up against some silicone baking sheets, which those were really tempting to get, and I probably will pick up a set of those at some point, but I typically only use Ziploc bags. I use them occasionally in the kitchen, but more so I use them for travel. And so when I looked at these, I thought, oh, those will be so great for travel, and you know how I feel about travel. So I wanted to take advantage of the opportunity to grab a set of these, and these are really, really cool. I'm saving the item I'm most excited to look at for last. So this is the 6th item in the box, or the 5th one that I'm pulling out, and this is the item that everybody gets, and it's a facial toner. It's fine. I have a lot of toner. It seems like subscription boxes like to throw that in because it's not as skin type specific. So whatever. It's fine. Maybe I'll use it. Maybe I'll swap it. But it is nice to have the ethical option. So the final item I'm pulling out is this 2021 agenda. I am so excited for this. I love planners, and this one is so pretty. Even the inside is pretty here. And I love planning. Ooh, it has little tabs for the month. So you have the month at a glance. You have day by day. And then you have a full page for notes before you go on to the next month. So this looks very functional, very pretty. Oh, I like that the corners are protected there. So that's usually the first thing to go. So yeah, I'm really excited for this planner, and I'm gonna get some good use out of it. There's even a pocket in the back to put loose papers. So what I always do with subscription boxes, I usually have my youngest son help me with this. Ever since he was little, he was helping me with this. We calculate how much each item was the actual cost to me, and we decide if it was worth it based on what I would pay, so the personal value, versus the actual value in the box based on this being a $50 box. Because I'm an annual member, it's $50 per box. And if you are seasonal, it's around $55 per box. So the sweater has a retail value of $115. I don't mean to sound mean. I would never pay $115 for this. I would never pay $115 for a sweater. But I would pay $40 for this, especially if it was an $80 sweater on sale for $40. I would absolutely pick it up. And what I actually paid was $22. So that's a pretty good deal. The earrings have a retail value of $38. The personal value to me, I would probably spend about $30 on these earrings, and I only paid $7.25. The pillowcase has a retail value of $25. It has a personal value to me of about $10. That's probably the very max I would pay for it. But in this box, I only ended up paying $4.77. The little baggies have a retail value of $22. I could see myself paying about $11 for this set, but in the box, I only had to pay $4.19. The planner has a retail value of $32. I would pay $25 for a nice planner like this, but in Causebox, I only had to pay $6.11. The toner has a retail value of $30. I personally would not buy this. It's not something I need, and toning is not an essential step in my skincare routine, but I did get it for $5.73, which is totally fine because most of the personal values for what I would say for the rest of the items more than make up for that $5.73. So the personal retail value total for me is $131, despite the toner, $131. But I paid $50 for this box. So is it worth it? For me, absolutely yes. And nobody was harmed in the making of any of these items. So that wraps up this Causebox unboxing. Did you get Causebox? What did you get? What do you think of it? What's your favorite item? If not, are you gonna get Causebox? Out of all the subscription boxes, I recommend Causebox if you're looking to be an ethical, responsible, sustainable consumer. I appreciate you watching, and I appreciate you. If you want to stick around, I hope that you'll hit that subscribe button, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.